Hello and welcome. Today we've got the GTI and we're going to look at fitting one of these, a rear arch liner. Now we've put one on the other side of the car, it's time to put one on this side. The other side was quite easy, this one might be a bit more difficult because we've got the fuel tank. We'll get it done though either way. This is Mark II Golf Stories, so let's get to it. So the first thing we need to do is get the car jacked up and secured. Let's get cracking. So when we put the liner on the other side of the car, we noticed that it started rubbing underneath the arch. So if your car's lowered like mine, you will have to raise the suspension on your car, and I'll show you why. So you can see on this side at the moment, we've got probably just about 2 fingers width in sideways, and on the other side with the liner, we have a look at that. You can't even get one finger in. So yeah, if you've got your car lowered, putting these liners on, you definitely need to raise it. I think we raise it about how much did we raise it by, Dad?
An inch.
About an inch.
Put it on now. Where do you want it?
One next to me for now, please. So you can see where the arch liner goes. Sitting here. I'm wondering how we're going to get it behind this. If we can get it behind that. But what we're probably best doing is cutting it. Let's have a look. Need to take this plastic trim off as well before we start. So let's get started with that. It's got one rivet up here. Bit of a hole here.
Put some churros on it.
No, it's a hole.
Yeah, but
And this, ladies and gentlemen, is why you'll need some kind of arch liner, because otherwise mud and water just sit in here and rot it out. So we have to weld that up before we do anything else. So much for body shops that say things are going to be okay. The car's okay and solid now, eh? Safety first. Let's cut this out to here, I guess. This bit of it, this looks pretty good. Yeah, pretty rotten.
try not to break that middle piece out.
It's just broken out.
Oh. Alright. That's as far as you can up here, maybe.
It's crumbled.
No.
So I think we're going to have to get a bit of a wire brush inside there, get it all cleaned up in there. Spray some sealant in there, or something to seal it, maybe some wax oil, and then we can look at cutting this out. So I guess we'll cut it out there. Oh fuck! Oh, cut my finger!
Bad.
Oh, not too bad, I had a little accident with the cutting disc, so I'm not to be trusted with it the rest of the day. So Dad's going to take over the cutting. Bugger. Let him take over. Looks good. Okay. So we've cut the big hole, as you can see, ground it away and put loads of cure rust in there. When that's dry, I'm going to spray a load of wax oil in there and then we'll weld our new plate on. Right, let's get some wax seal in there. Okay, that's the metal in place. Let's get it welded on.
This is a waste of time, this man.
Okay, there we go. So that's replaced. Now we can look at finally trying to get the arch liner in. Oh no, I think we're going to have to fix it. You've got in there, aren't you?
I'm going to get it on, Scott.
Well, that's it, Steve, let's cut it in half.
Put it down there. You need to keep the object.
Cut it, what if we cut it here? Or we get it in, get this side in at least, can't we? Get one side in. Oh, just flip it over it.
Yeah.
Let's bring it back up a second.
Light too light.
Come on, this, no, let's get this in behind there. Without breaking it. No, you're not going to get it in. Yeah, you are going to get it in.
What?
Yeah, what's wrong?
You'd be wrong, isn't it?
It's not.
On the outside?
It did a real one, didn't it? We don't put the plastic trim on the outside of it.
Okay, not breaking off.
Don't. You're not getting more rust off. Oh, bloody hell, we've got a filler there.
What, go on the inside of this?
No, we had it on the outside last time.
Oh, but will it go on the inside, I think?
Oh, no, it won't. We tried it on the other side, it wouldn't do it.
What's this? What's this? Stop it. Hey mate, ow.
Yeah, let's try it out. It's like that rivet.
What's it knock out?
Looks alright, isn't it?
Yeah, hold on then.
So, on the edges of the liner, these little clips sit on the inside of the arch, hopefully all the way around, and hold it in place. And then we'll rivet it here, maybe a couple of times, and the back here, maybe there, once round here somewhere. And then the plastic arch trim sits over the arch and butts up against it here. Theoretically anyway. So we have to cut it down the side here because we're basically pushing it underneath the arch rather than butting up to it. So I've cut that there, so it's not going to hang about. Back, so it's not going to bang about. And we're going to zip tie through here into here to hold it into place. Hold that there. No, don't come with this thing. Hold this side here. Thank you.
No pies here. That's alright. Don't need this on over here. Right where?
Right there.
Hang on.
No, it's not fuel tank.
You sure?
Yeah, look, there's a fuel tank here.
What's all this then here?
That's just metal behind there.
I hope you're right. Right, okay. Look just your head up. You'll look at your face. Are you going to be okay with this lot? Yeah. Right in here?
Right. One over here somewhere?
Yeah.
How can we stop this banging about?
Sorry?
How are we going to stop this banging about?
You're not. When it's all fastened, that'll stop it.
You want to do one up here?
Yeah.
Into the arch?
Yeah.
You think?
Yeah.
Look, we've left the plastic trim on as well, Dad.
That's what I was saying to you. You got your trim on there.
Yeah, it's got a go for it, hasn't it? Like, there's a hole there. We've got another rivet, small blue rivet.
Lovely. You got that well?
Yeah. Let's go over it like that kind of, won't it?
Yeah.
I'll take the camera inside, it's raining. I will bring you back out when we are finished. Okay, so there we go. Got a couple of, we've pushed the liner on the inside of the arch, riveted it there, here, and over here, and we've put the arch trim back on, riveted that in place, and it all looks a lot better. That should hopefully protect it a bit now. So we'll get the wheel on and then we're good to go. So there we go, that's the arch liner fitted on the Golf. Not too bad apart from the big hole and nearly the instant cutting my finger off. Remember, if you're playing with cutting discs and angle grinders, be careful. Even welders as well, always wear the correct protective gear. If you found this video useful or entertaining, please consider dropping a like or subscribe, leave a comment and maybe become a patron or buy me a coffee. See you in another video again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.